virtual desktops in Deepin. Click the multitasking view button. You get this little error here. Just select OK. Go to Settings. Go down to the Personalization section. And by window effect, flip the switch. And window effects are now enabled. So we can go back and click the multitasking view button. And it'll show that we have our original desktop on the left and a virtual desktop on the right. We can add or remove virtual desktops using the minus and plus buttons in the lower right corner. Then you just click which desktop you want to go to. So I'm going to open up File Manager on Desktop 1 and switch to Desktop 2. Now each of these virtual desktops can have their own wallpaper. You just right-click on the desktop, go to Wallpaper and Screensaver, and choose which wallpaper you want to have on this desktop. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.